So yan, happy husband, suspicious wife.
Bakit malangis?
May patron pa pala tayo ah.
Thank you. Wag naman, wag hug. Pwede naman.
Alright.
May gift kayo for each other.
Meron pa.
Meron.
Ayun ba? Message niya sa akin. Hindi maayos. Surprise! Doon ang message niya sa akin. So, hindi ko masyadong pinapangarap ng bata ko pero nakikita ko na gusto ko na talaga to.
Ang gusto ko lang sabihin ay, ang ganda mo ngayon!
No regard.
Uy! Alright! Naalala mo ba yung nanonood tayo ng balita? May mag-live-in partner. Natagpo ang patay. Binibiro natin na paano kung tayo nabalita. Mas maganda pakinggan kung mag-asawa ang natagpuan, di ba?
Opo.
Gano'n ba kagwapo ni Marlon?
Napaka-pogi.
This is where I'm meant to get to it. A harsh reality to discover. Always running out of time. She's always running out of time. Always running out of Why we gotta be in a rush? My watch is just for decoration. Look, I showed up early for once. Now that's a new sensation. We're always running out of time.
Kung hindi ako magkakatoyo.
I'm always running out of time. I'm always running out of time. She's always running out of time. Always running out of time.
The fire in the sky is waking up the people as the cold winter night sneaks away. The kingdom has come and put up a steeple, but young and old are getting on their knees to pray. Brothers and sisters across the water are asking if they can come.
We gathered here today not just to witness the union of two people in love, but to celebrate the formation of something sacred, marriage, ayon sa intensyon ng Diyos.
There's gotta be something more. There's gotta be somewhere we don't see. A little piece of heaven on earth is the only place.
Handa na ako ng santula. Maiksi lang to. Ang title nito, Pangako Ko. Sa gitna ng lockdown at pagkagulo ng mundo, ikaw ang naging comfort ko. Kasama sa Animal Crossing kung saan tayo nagkasundo. At sa panahon na inaakala kong wala na akong makikilala na kagaya mo.
We're still going, even as we hold our breath. This ain't over yet. There's gotta be something more. There's gotta be somewhere we don't see. A little piece of heaven on earth.
ang long distance relationship daw, nagwo-work lang pag may tiwala kayong tatlo sa isa't isa. Sigad yung pangatlo.
There's gotta be something.
Pinapangako kong hawakan ng kamay mo sa tahimik na sandali at sa magulong mundo. At maging kasama mo sa mga simpleng bagay. Dahil ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit kumpleto ang aking buhay.
That I wanna be. There's gotta be something more. There's gotta be somewhere we don't see. A little piece of heaven on earth is the only place that I wanna be.
Kaya ngayong araw na ito, February 21, 2026, ito pangako ko sa iyo sa harap ng Panginoon. Minahal kita noon, mahal kita ngayon, at mamahalin kita habang panahon.